Welcome to 2024. So this is our crossover cycle. We started this cycle last year. We're gonna finish it this year. So this is our 196 chickens that we're raising. Initially there were 200 and then we lost 4 along the way. So 4 chickens didn't make it in 2024. So 4 didn't make it in 2024. But anyway, things still looks good, things still looks okay. My chicken are still looking fine, happy, and they're really growing fast. So just look at them. And the way they are inside this house, it can tell you that the temperature is perfect for them because they're all over the space. So they're utilizing the space. They're all over the house. So this is how you actually spot if your chicken are really growing nicely. And yeah, otherwise, this is the rest of my house. That's my feed. That's my feed. That's my feed. That's my feed. Enough feed for the whole cycle. Enough equipment for the whole cycle. Everything is enough enough everything, guys. So but I just want to appreciate the support that I've been getting this year. We have grown actually last year. So the support that I got last year, we have grown. We had about 4,000 something new subscribers coming to the channel. I hope this year we're gonna double the number and we're gonna keep on growing, as I'm gonna keep on sharing the knowledge that I have, as I'm gonna be showing you when I'm raising my chicks, and I'm gonna be doing all these things that I've been doing for the past year. So I hope to grow with you guys. Let's continue actually growing together. Let's continue sharing information together. Let's continue farm and feed the nation. So to my customers, to everyone who subscribes to the channel, everybody who support me, everybody who support whatever Makwal Agri is doing, I just want to say thank you, guys. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Without you, I could have stopped recording these videos. But as much as you keep commenting, Abu Chris, you always comment on my videos. As long as you keep commenting, as long as you keep asking questions, you give me motivation to say I'm doing something great. I should keep on doing what I do best. So otherwise, guys, I just want to appreciate the support that I got anyway. I don't have much words to say, but yeah, from 2023 I think a lot of things have happened. We started monetizing on YouTube. I started getting money from YouTube. I bought myself a workhorse for my business. I'm growing, guys. I'm growing in life. So I just wanna thank you guys and appreciate you. We also got some gifts from Paul Tech in 2023, and I hope more brands come in and help us grow in our journey of becoming one of the successful poultry YouTubers in South Africa. Tango.